Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing a DIY Dollar Tree miniature farmhouse decor table. I honestly don't know what to call it, but you can find this in the toy section at Dollar Tree for $1. Got mine for 50 cents because the legs were already broken, and so I saw something on Pinterest that kind of resembled this and I took my spin on it. So I'm also going to be recycling an old doll box and some paperboard, and I'm just going to cut strips vertical instead of horizontal like shiplap. I just wanted to do vertical because that's what it kind of looked like on Pinterest. I'll insert a picture here of what I'm trying to recreate. So after I cut my strips, I went ahead and I glued it to the doll box packaging on the back of it, and then I went ahead and I used my hot glue to kind of like emboss like some weird design. I ended up like switching it up later on, but you can use hot glue because it does leave it like 3D and it just looks cool, especially like when you paint it. But later on I end up scratching that off and I just like glue a heart gem to the center, and then I just used hot glue to make like little dots and swirly lines and stuff. Now this part is optional. I'm just sanding down the little planks that I made because I kind of want it to be a little bit smooth, not too rough. I want it to look kind of nice, you know, like I want to actually use this piece of furniture and not just toss it later on. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to sand it, and then I'm just going to dust it off. Now I'm going to take that miniature table and I'm going to glue it 6 inches high, and before I do that I'm going to go ahead and rip off the legs. I did have to glue on the sides again, but it's okay. I'm just going to rip them off. It was kind of easy. Now for the legs I'm going to use clothespins, 2 for each leg, and I'm also going to use a popsicle and glue it in the back of it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and secure it to the table. I did go ahead and take some paperboard. I did about I want to say 8 layers of paperboard for the bottom shelf, and I did go ahead and add a trim around it with popsicle sticks. And then I go ahead and I paint the entire thing white, and I did end up sanding it down a little bit. I added some copper to the knobs, and I added a picture frame hook. You can get these at Dollar Tree as well. I did paint mine copper, you can't really tell, but I just thought it was really cute and I liked how it turned out.